Hello Algebra, this is Miss Henderson's class and we're getting ready to discuss the last module that you have, which is week 4 of the final assignments. You are given 2 different assignments to complete. The first is like a mini final exam. You have been given a Regents exam, an old one, and Miss Henderson is asking for you to pick any 15 questions. This could include multiple choice or short answer. And she would like for you on a piece of paper to write out your work, show your answer, and then when you are finished answering 15 questions, she would like for you to either text those pictures to her or submit them online, whatever works best for you. And again, it can be any 15 questions, but the big thing here is that it's not just the 15 answers, it's got to be the 15 answers with supporting work. So once you finish that, you can go on to your modules again, and your last assignment after that is going to be a reflection. You are going to write and submit your answers to these prompts below. If possible, use 1.5 line spacing size, 12 times New Roman font, and 1-inch margins all around. Those settings should probably be automatic if you are opening up a Word document. You may answer the prompts in any order. Please organize your thoughts. So question number 1, did you reach your goal for this course? Explain. Yes, I reached my goal. No, I did not. Because. Number 2, how would you rate your summer school experience this year? Explain. Number 3, how has COVID-19 changed your life at home and or at school? Explain. Include at least 3 ways. So 3 different ways it has changed, either home, school, or both. Describe one math concept you understand better now. Pretend you are teaching a new student. If it helps you to have a sample topic and math problem, please ask me to provide one. Number 5, what is one idea or suggestion you have for making online school better? 6, what is a goal you have for your life? Describe in detail. Extra credit. Record your reflection as a video instead of typing it. More extra credit. Include an appropriate math joke. This is going to be 10 points. In order for it to count towards you, you have to earn 7 points in total. You automatically will get 7 points for answering every question in some manner. Make sure it's appropriate, but little explanation, little detail. If you want all 10 points given to you, you are answering every question with details and explanations as directed. There will be underneath this assignment an opportunity for you to click on a Word document that will have these questions and sentence starters for you in case you need them. If you have any questions about your last week's worth of assignments, please make sure to reach out and ask for help.